My name is Jessica Tyson, and this is Hunter again. And this morning we're going to go over how to do ice cream in a bag. So you're going to need milk. You can use half and half. You're going to need sugar, salt, ice, vanilla, a smaller Ziploc bag, and this is the only next size up that I had, but if you have a bigger one, that'd be perfect. And what you're going to start with is 1 cup of milk, or half and half, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, a tablespoon of sugar. You're going to mix all that into your small Ziploc bag, seal it shut, add your ice and your salt into your bigger bag, put your milk bag in here, seal it and shake it for at least 6 minutes, and you should have ice cream consistency. So we are going to go ahead and get this together. Okay, now that we got most of our stuff together, we're going to pour our milk right into our bag, our tablespoon of sugar into our bag, and then it helps if you kind of have an extra set of hands to hold your bag with the milk in it. We need this one, sweetie. And then you're going to do your 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. And then you can also add like chocolate syrup into here if you wanted, to make more of a chocolatey ice cream if you want. And then you're going to seal it, and it should look like this. You can kind of mix it up a little bit. And then in this bag, you're going to add you'll add your 1/4 cup of salt and some ice. I say fill it up about halfway with. Alright, so we have our salt and our ice in this bag. You're going to add your ice cream bag right into it. Let the air out. Yep. Zip it. And then you're going to just shake it for about 6 minutes.